I am Dr. Prachi Singh, Assistant Professor Mathematics, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg. Today I am giving lecture on MSc 4th semester Mathematics, fuzzy sets and their application, Unit 5, Decision Making. Decision making is the most fundamental activity of human life. It is a scientific, social and economic endeavor. We are given a number of alternatives to get the result, but there is distinct difference between a good decision and a good outcome. That is, alternatives and result both are uncertain. So, we have to use fuzzy set theory. In fuzzy set theory, every alternative which is defined by numerically or linguistically, such as high, cool, and so on, has given a membership function in the interval 0, 1. With the help of preference given, we construct a membership for each alternative. The most preferred alternative has given higher membership grade than others. In decision making, the most common one is individual decision making. When a decision is taken by a single one, it is called an individual decision making process. In each decision problem, we have given a set of alternatives A is equal to A1, A2 and so on, and a set of criteria C is equal to C1, C2 and so on. We are also given values of every alternative with respect to given criteria, such as C1A1, C1A2 and so on. Now we have to find out common solution of these alternatives. Let it be D. Then D is equal to C1 intersection C2 and so on. In crisp form. In membership form, DA1, DAI is equal to minimum of C1AI, C2AI and so on. Then the most preferred decision, fuzzy decision, is DA star is equal to max of DAI. Now we explain the process with an example. Example, let there are 4 jobs, A1, A2, A3, A4, and we have to find out one of them which has high salary, close driving distance and interesting. So, the set of alternatives is A is equal to A1, A2, A3 and A4. There are 3 criteria. First, C1 is equal to salary, C2 is equal to driving distance and C3 is equal to interesting. With respect to each criteria and each alternative, variables are given in the table. It is given in the table alternatives A1, A2, A3 and A4, criteria, salary, distance and interest. Salary for A1 40,000, this one 45,000, 50,000 and 60,000. Distance from home, yeah, driving distance we can say 25 kilometers, 7.5, 12 and 2.5. Interest, it is marked as right one. To construct, now we construct fuzzy set of salary, distance and interest. Let salary interval is 35,000 to 55,000. It means lowest salary 35,000 होनी चाहिए और highest 55,000. And distance 5 kilometer to 30 kilometers. Now we draw it in graphs, 2 graphs. First graph is for salary and second for distance. Salary and fuzzy set. Distance and fuzzy set. 40,000. So it's y-axis 0.25, 45,000, its y-axis 0.5, 50,000, 0.7 and 60 are 1. Similarly, we can draw for distance also. From these figures, now we take table of fuzzy sets. For alternatives A1, A2, A3, A4, for criteria C1, 0.25, 0.5, 0.7, 1 distance, this one. Interest. Interest is given by ticks. More the tick, greater the fuzzy value. So, lowest number of ticks for A3 and A4. So, we give them fuzzy numbers 0.2 and 0.2. Highest ticks for A2, so we take it fuzzy number 0.8, and for A1 it is 0.5. Now the formula is DAI is equal to mean of C1 AI, C2 AI and so on. This one C1 A1, C2 A1 and C3 A1. So DA1 is equal to mean 0.25, 1 and 0.5. It means 0.25. Similarly are these. Most preferable decision. DA star is equal to max of DAI. DAI means this one. So maximum is 0.5 and 0.5 is for A2. So the most preferable job is A2. Most preferable job is A2. The fuzzy model can be extended to accommodate the relative importance of the various goals and constants by the use of weighted coefficient. Then decision D, DA is equal to summation UI GIA plus summation VJ into CJA for all A belongs to A. Yeah, in base of